Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. It's 6:45 in the morning. We have early to go. We have an appointment and now I'm wallis my snow in the car here. I think it's 4 inches guys. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. We have a snowstorm here early in the morning and wind blows. Here they go. I'm just cleaning my car. Alright, I'm home. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Very bad guys. They have a snowstorm. 4 inches of snow. Here they go. I'm cleaning my car. What a mess in the morning. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Snow time guys. Winter. Mother Nature. Here they go. Cleaning. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Slippery there. Look at that. All covered. I think 4 inches or more than 4 inches. 5 I guess. Okay well, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Here we go.